we'll guide you through how to use VSCode Copilot instructions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor on your desktop. Make sure you have installed the latest version, as updates often bring new features and improvements. Next, go to the Extensions tab on the sidebar, which is usually represented by 4 squares. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot and hit Enter. You'll see GitHub Copilot in the search results. Click on it and then click the Install button. Once installed, you'll need to authorize Copilot with your GitHub account. A prompt should appear asking you to sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your GitHub account and authorize Copilot to access your editor. After this, you can start using GitHub Copilot in your projects. To try it out, open a new or existing file and start typing a comment or some code. GitHub Copilot will automatically suggest code completions and snippets based on what you're typing. You can accept a suggestion by hitting the Tab key or by clicking the suggestion. If you want to see more suggestions, you can press Ctrl and Space to toggle through the available completions. It's like having an AI-powered pair programmer right in your editor, helping you write code faster and more efficiently. Remember that you can customize Copilot's behavior by going into the settings, allowing you to adjust how often suggestions appear. And that's it. You're all set to harness the power of AI to boost your coding productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.